Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We can do about factorization by ask. Number 4, that's about 2 to the power of 2. This is about identity, so I can put into ask minus 2 multiplied by ask plus 2. Now we can use about partial fractions. So I will put capital A over ask, capital B over ask minus 2, and capital C over ask plus 2. Now we do common denominator. So about capital A, it is missing about ask minus 2 and ask plus 2. So capital A will multiply by s minus 2 s plus 2. About capital B, it is missing about ask and ask plus 2. Similar for capital C. About this one, that is about this one. Now we need to expand this one in here. Next, I need to arrange based on the term of ask. About s square, we have a plus b plus c. About ask, we have b multiplied by number 2 and c multiplied by negative number 2. So we have 2b minus 2c. About the number, we have negative number 4 multiplied by capital A. So we have negative 4a. Because we just have only number 8, that means negative 4a equals to number 8. We don't have ask and s square. So a plus b plus c and 2b minus 2c equals to number 0. And now we create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of ABC. So A equals to negative number 2, B equals to number 1, C equals to number 1. So we put the value ABC gone here. So A equals to negative number 2, B equals to number 1, C equals to number 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of negative number 2 over s. We have negative number 2 ln of the absolute value of s. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of s minus 2. And the last one. And then we put about c, that's c about the constant. This is the end. Thank you for watching.